All right. Right, are we keeping everybody awake out there or what? Out there in television land? I hope you guys are calling in your pledges. I'm talking to you, Stacy and Haley. I know you're out there watching, so be calling in them pledges. This next one we're going to slow down a little bit again. Maybe it'll kick up again, but I don't know. Sometimes we can't make up our minds, but this one's called On the Edge of a Rainbow. Better stop it or I'm going to start telling jokes. So make them pledges, people. So near but still far away. There is nothing left for me to say. I've got to try to find that pot of gold on the edge of the rainbow. Don't you know they'll always drag your light right through the dirt, because they don't know what you're about. Well, don't you know what you got to do? Now you know that you're living. It gets to the point where you don't want to live. All out of taste, but never really give. Well, don't you know what you got to do? Now you know that you're living, that you're living on the edge of a rainbow, trying to do the best you can. Oh yeah, living on the edge of a rainbow. You got to try to understand. Yeah. Why do they leave it all to the fools? Leave it to them to make the rules. Why can't they let be what is always meant for it? Yeah. All right, this next tune's called Beckon the Call. right. We're going to take a little 2-minute, 3-minute break here for some word from the MC, I guess. Is that what's going on here? All right.
Hi. You have been listening to Tornado Alley. The band is from Joliet. They live in the Tornado Alley, and they formed their band in August of 1991. I want to welcome you back to the Operation Christmas Telethon. please don't forget to make your pledges. The number is 886-6222. We should have a staff back at about 7:30 in the morning, so if you want your pledges picked up, they'll be back here to get them for you. We've got Santa Claus at 9 o'clock. Bring your children down. We've got a magician and some clowns and some gifts for the kids. And Emmett Martin. There's a present for the kids. We want to thank Tornado Alley. They are playing a tight hour here. This is like everybody's not out there, but they're playing their hearts out. And those of you who are out there, let them know you're there. Make a phone call. Say you like them. Pledge some money. These guys are working their tails off. Once again, I give you Tornado Alley.
All right, we're going to slow this one down a little bit. I like what the singer from the other band had to say about the homeless people. A lot of us could be out there too, the way things are going in this country nowadays, but we wrote this tune for those people that are out there in the street, those people that you see living in the cardboard boxes somewhere around your town. And this Operation Christmas is a good deal for these people, and we need to help them. And whatever God blesses us with, I think we should bless them people too. And we should take care of them. So make those pledges tonight, people. If you're up and watching, make those pledges, or else we're going to have to sing some Johnny Mathis Christmas tunes.